If your Robinhood account has been restricted, you may want to appeal the decision. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Review account restrictions. Check your account notifications and emails from Robinhood to understand the specific reason for the restriction. This information is crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect any relevant documents or evidence that support your case. This may include transaction records, communication with Robinhood, or any other pertinent details. Step 3. Access the Help Center. Visit the Robinhood Help Center on their website or app. Look for the section related to account restrictions or appeals to find specific guidance. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Follow the instructions provided in the Help Center to submit your appeal. Fill out any required forms and include all gathered information to strengthen your case. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for updates from Robinhood. Be patient, as it may take some time for them to review your case and respond. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Robinhood requires careful attention to detail and patience. By following these steps, you can effectively present your case and seek resolution.